Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and sure enough, I have another Cultured Japan box. Darren slit the top. Look at these boxes, how nice they are. I just can't throw these away. They are just super boxes. If nothing else, my cats can use those for like a year. We bought this doll on July 4th. And I have not told anybody she was coming because I want you to come back tomorrow and see the outfit I put her in. The new bags are coming out with all the dolls anymore, not just the pairs. Love it. Let's do it like everybody does it and show the box first. You know me, I just rip the doll out, but we got to get her wig anyway. I bought this doll. When you buy a Smart Doll, you get another nice box. You could actually, if you're new to Smart Dolls, store your clothing in here for at least a while. I know those clothes, you just keep buying them. You do get a care sheet with your Smart Dolls, which is very cool. You get your wig. Oh, God, that's so pretty. Okay. And you get the telescoping stand. People have been telling me they don't use these. I do. I have several Smart Dolls, and I don't want them falling into one another. Your
Excuse me, you mean you have numerous Smart Dolls? You're way past the several.
It's true. It's true. My husband spoils me. All right, let's get her wig out and get her ready. Wait till you see who I got. This is a doll that when I first started looking at Smart Dolls, I thought, I'd like to have that doll. Although I got a different skin tone. Okay, what am I doing wrong here? I got a different skin tone than I thought I would, but I got it for a reason. I've really got a little knot going on here. All right, let's set this aside, and when I get ready to put the wig on, we'll straighten that out. Here she comes, out of the box, out of the bag. Let's get her out of the plastic. I get so excited every time I get a Smart Doll. I gotta tell you, I wasn't gonna get a Smart Doll, Then about November 2024, I thought,
23.
you know, huh?
23.
23, yeah. November 2023, I thought, you know what, maybe I do want a Smart Doll. By February, I bought one, and now here it is July, and I have so many I don't give the number anymore. This is Never Say Never, and I got her in cinnamon. I was going to get her in tea, but then I did buy Looking for Trouble when she came out. In fact, got her the day before she came out because of time. Timey-wimey, wibbly-wobbly, as Doctor Who says. Look at her cute little birthmark. Isn't she lovely? And I always show their palms. Look at their palms. You know what I've never checked to see? Yeah, they do not have lines here, but I thought, wouldn't that be something? They have this hole in the back that the telescoping stand goes into, and then however long you need it for the surface you're standing on, you have it. I started to say, before we start joking around about how many I have, I use this because I have more than 3 Smart Dolls, and when they fall, it's like bowling pins. They're just do-do-do-do-do-do, or dominoes, although they're kind of big for dominoes. Let me put her wig on. So when it comes to Smart Dolls, never say never. That's why I want it. Well, she's so beautiful, and the name just drew me in. Look at this hair. The wig was me. I was trying to pull it, and maybe you saw me do the net funny, but look at that hair. Oh my God, she's so pretty. I really like this doll. If you are thinking about getting a Smart Doll, from my perspective, they are worth the money. They have a spine, they have a skeleton in here. Moving her funny. Let me see if I can. See how she can move in so many different directions? I mean, these dolls are made incredibly. This vinyl is over a skeleton. They're so beautiful. I don't know if you saw, she's showing teeth. I'm so in love with these. LovinMySmartDoll.com. Which I wanted to mention, by the way, and I was wrong. I did tell one person I got her, and that was Nicole, who I met in a store, and the story is on my website, lovinmysmartdoll.com, as well as Winterfest information. And it's an incredible story how I met Nicole, and she lives, how many miles from here? 10?
Maybe.
Maybe 10 miles from where I'm standing. And she has a big Smart Doll collection. You never know. So be seen with the Smart Doll. She had hers with her that day. I had a Blythe. Thank you for watching. Please come back tomorrow and see how this girl is dressed. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.